McDowell Mountain Ranch is a beautiful hidden subdivision area master plan community right here in the heart of North Scottsdale. It's set right into the Sonoran Preserve with tons of hiking trails, the Aquatic Center. You have beautiful pickleball courts, tennis courts, playgrounds for your children, everything that Scottsdale has to offer as far as amenities as restaurants, shopping, resorts. It's a perfect lifestyle for Scottsdale, Arizona, and the perfect neighborhood to live in McDowell Mountain Ranch.